Welcome friends. Today we are going to study different terms used in population genetics. Population genetics is the study of genetic variation within the population and involves the examination and modeling of changes in the frequencies of genes and alleles in population over space and time. In natural population, the genetic composition of a population gene pool may change over time. So, before studying Hardy-Weinberg's law of equilibrium, we are going to study some background information and different terms used in population genetics. So, what is population? Individuals of a same species of a particular region are called population. There are various definitions of population. A group of individuals of a particular species occupying a definite space in which the individuals interact, interbreed, and exchange genetic material is known as population. Apart from its ecological significance, population has an important role in the process of evolution. Population forms the basic unit of evolution and not the species. For the process of evolution to occur in a system, there should be changes in the genetic constitution. Population is undergoing evolution and not the individual, so the changes should be in the genetic constitution of the population. There is considerable difference between the inheritance of genes in the population and that in the individuals. There are two terms, simple population and Mendelian population. Population is a group of individuals, but Mendelian population is different. It is a group of sexually interbreeding organisms. So it is called as a random mating population. Mendelian population is characterized by individuals having somewhat similar genetic constitution. What is gene pool? Sum total of all individuals of a Mendelian population constitute a gene pool. So gene pool is the pool of population. Gene pool of population and species is different. Gene pool of population is always open because there is exchange of genetic material within the population. But the gene pool of a species is closed one. Gene pool describes total number of genes present in the population, proportion of different kinds of genes, and pattern of distribution of genes in the individual of population. There are two terms, gene frequency and genotype frequency. So what is gene frequency? Or it is also called as allelic frequency. Proportion of alleles in the gene pool as compared with other alleles at the same locus with no regards to their distribution in an organism is known as gene frequency. For example, a population with two alleles, that is dominant A and recessive A, on a same locus. So, there are three types of individuals. About 1/4 are called as homozygous dominants having genotypes capital A, capital A. About 1/2 heterozygous dominant having genotypes capital A, small a. And 1/4 are homozygous recessive having genotypes both recessive small a, small a. What is gene frequency? Suppose there are 100 individuals in a population. Then there are three types of individuals: homozygous dominant, heterozygous dominant, and homozygous recessive. So, in 100 individuals, 40 are homozygous dominant having genotypes dominant AA. 40% are heterozygous dominant having genotype dominant A recessive, and 20 are homozygous recessive having genotypes recessive A, recessive A. Therefore, the frequency of dominant A allele will be 80% are from homozygous dominant having double A and 40 from heterozygous dominant divided by 200. So it becomes 0.6. And the frequency of recessive allele A will be 40% are homozygous recessive having double gene recessive gene. So 40 plus 40 divided by 200, it is equal to 0.4. If the frequency of allele dominant A is represented by English small letter P and that of gene recessive gene A is represented by English small letter Q, and at gene equilibrium the total frequency is represented by 1. So therefore at an equilibrium P plus Q is equal to 1, or P is equal to 1 minus Q, or Q is equal to 1 minus P. Then what is genotype frequency? Total number of kinds of individuals from a population, all of which exhibit similar characters with respect to the locus under consideration, is known as genotype frequency. Suppose in a population there are two alleles at one locus, that is dominant A and recessive A. They are related as dominant and recessive. So there will be again three kinds of individuals in the population. Homozygous dominant having genotype dominant AA, heterozygous dominant having genotypes dominant A recessive A, and homozygous recessive having genotype recessive A recessive A. If we consider capital N is equal to total number of individuals in the population, capital D is equal to total number of homozygous dominant, H is equal to total number of heterozygous dominant, and capital R is equal to total number of homozygous recessive, then the genotype frequency of homozygous dominant individuals, that is genotype capital A will be D upon N. Genotype frequency of heterozygous individuals having genotype capital A small a will be H upon N, and genotype frequency of homozygous recessive individuals having genotype small a will be capital R divided by N. This shows that genotype frequency for a particular type of gene combination on the same locus can be determined by dividing the number of individuals with that genotype by the total number of individuals in the population. Thank you.